Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Varieties. Today I'm going to share with you how to prepare shawarma, chicken shawarma. Yes, those of you who have been buying it in my restaurant, yes, you can attest to the fact that it's so yummy. Yes, so this is the shawarma that we are going to prepare. So let's get started. So our ingredients for the shawarma. Here we have chicken. You know we are preparing chicken shawarma. Shawarma is imported from Lebanese and we are now trying to make it our own. So this is my chicken and my tomatoes and some green bell pepper. I have my onions. I have my carrots. I have my scallions, my lettuce, my tortilla, and some spices over here. I have some parsley here. I have my butter inside, and then my pawpaw. We need mayonnaise, yes, and we need ketchup, and we need some Maggi aroma, yes. So these are the ingredients we are going to use to prepare our nutritious shawarma. Yes, people have been buying this from my restaurant. And today, Prissy, are you here and your newly born baby, mommy? Yes, this is your recipe. You've been asking me for it, and here we go. What we are doing is I'll pour my chicken in right here. Then I'll add my spices. This is salt to taste. I'll add a little sauce. I always love my chicken with lemon juice. So that's my lemon juice. I'll have to mix it up. Then I'll add a little of my parsley to it. And I need some seasoning cube. Give it a quick stir. If you like, you can marinate, but I'm in a hurry. So after mixing it with your spices, you can leave it for 30 or 40 minutes. I'm very late. So this is my chili pepper, powdered chili pepper. Stir. Then I have my anise here. Any seasoning of your choice you can add. I have my garlic cube. And my ginger cube. I've made everything into cubes. It's easier for me. And my onion cube. So I don't grind anything. I just take my cubes, ginger cube, onion cube, turmeric cube, all the cubes in the world. And I'll give it a quick stir. And now I'll add a little of the Maggi sauce and give it a quick stir. So now we will simmer for 15 minutes. So we are going to cook this in its water, so it's well cooked. and then we'll come back and continue. So I'm going to cover it. This is my garlic cube. I've just blended it and made it into cube. Yeah, my garlic cube. Then I'll need butter. So 1 teaspoon is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it well whilst waiting for our chicken. So my cube ginger and my butter, what I'm going to use it for, you say it. Yes, those who have been buying shawarma from me, from my restaurant, shout out to everyone. Now you have the recipe, you can make it yourself. Yes, my shawarma is very, very nutritious and mouth-watering. Yes, those who have been buying can attest to the fact that, yeah, this is the best shawarma in Ghana. So this is my mayonnaise. I'm taking about 3 tablespoons full of it. And I'll add my ketchup, just a little. Okay, the ketchup, the brand doesn't matter, any that you get. And then the mayonnaise to any that you get, brand doesn't matter. You stir it well, and I'm adding my Maggi sauce. I'll give it a quick stir to mix everything very well. Now I have my parsley that I've sliced from my garden, adding everything. So we are setting aside all this whilst we wait for our chicken to be well cooked. Okay, so here we have our butter and garlic. Here our mayonnaise, ketchup and Maggi sauce. Hi! So this is my chicken with the spices of my choice. You can also steam it. So lovelies, this our pan hot on fire. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm heating my tortilla. Yes, put it in for some time and bring it out. Bring it out. So you remember when I mixed my mayonnaise, ketchup? Yes, I don't have the container. I don't know where it is. So I'm putting it into a rubber. And then I'll display how I will use it. So lovelies, this is the finished shawarma. Yeah, something went wrong, so I couldn't get enough of what I wanted. Yes, can you see? It's so nice, but the way I wanted to stuff it, yet my tortilla was very small, so I had a problem rolling it. But so I got what I wanted, and it's so nice, so yummy. So lovelies, let us know in the comment section when you finish preparing yours and how it tastes. That's all the secret I'm sharing with you, my restaurant secret recipe. Yeah, shawarma. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.